As a young guy, I think it's one of my most important skills to be the best question asker out there, because there's so much to learn and there's so much I don't know. Hey, my name is Joseph Lambert, and I'm the owner of Joseph's Junk Removal in Atlanta, Georgia, and I got into the junk removal industry just a little over 2 years ago. To date, right now, I think we use Google Ads, SEO, dedicated rep service. We buy junk removal trucks. They're built like tanks. The US ever goes to war, we're charging out with those things first. Having a junk removal business has taught me so much about myself. It's taught me in a lot of ways how to grow and be a young man. It's taught me how to take responsibility when things go wrong. I learned that I need mentors. I need other people speaking into my life. Junkcon was awesome. It was really cool just to get to interact with a lot of other guys in the industry from all over the country. It's awesome to see there are other guys who operate very differently than us. They're just absolutely crushing it. Everybody's so encouraging there and uplifting, so it's just a great environment overall. I think with the junk removal industry, the sky's the limit. Over the next 10 years, we'd like to be in the 15 biggest cities east of the Mississippi and possibly some Texas markets. Over the next 3 years, we're looking to expand to about 18 trucks in the Atlanta area. For this year, we're looking to about double in size from about 5 trucks to about 9 or 10 trucks. Business would be harder without using Jerry's services. I mean, obviously you could go hire somebody to do all the same stuff they do, but it would be a lot more expensive. I think it would just take a lot longer to grow. So Jerry is almost like a cheat sheet to be able to grow a lot quicker and not have to make nearly as many mistakes.